Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for the Google Pixel 3a. Our friends over there at Rhinoshield went ahead and sent these out so we can go ahead and take a look at them. So huge shout out and thanks to them for that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and start out with my favorite out of the three, the carbon fiber case. Now, if you'll notice, it does have a red accent button right here, which is actually pretty cool. Now, it didn't come like this. It actually came with the black button, but they do pop out. If you can see here, I popped it out. You can actually switch these buttons out. They sell these little accent buttons right here. You got the choice of red, yellow, white, green, blue, and black. So I went ahead and chose the red one. Let me go ahead and throw it back on. So I got the button right here. All you got to do is just pop it in there, boom, and it stays in there nice and tight. It won't fall out. It clicks in there nice and good. So let's go ahead and throw the phone inside the case. Now, as you can hear, it snaps in pretty good, so it has a really nice, solid fit to it. They don't call it a solid suit for nothing. So, yes, it fits nice and tight. Feels like it's going to give your device great protection. So you can see all around the edges, it gives it a nice lip. So in case you happen to drop your phone face down like that, hopefully you should not crack or damage the screen, any scratches or anything like that. Now, I'm really loving this accent button. I know I keep mentioning it, but I think it just goes really good with the black, and then you got the accent red on the side. Looks really, really cool. So if you look in the back, you got this nice carbon fiber look. Now, it kind of does it like the way the actual phone does, how it gives it the two-tone look. So you got the carbon fiber look right here on the bottom, and then it gives you that border right here, and then you have the matte black on the top, which actually looks pretty cool. I'm actually digging this design. Now, it's got a nice indentation for the fingerprint sensor, so helps you find the fingerprint sensor a lot more easier. And then you got the camera cut out with the flash, giving it a nice indentation as well. So if you happen to drop your device flat on its back, hopefully you should not get any damage to the camera. Now, buttons seem to respond pretty good. Power it on and off. So you can see there, let's check the volume buttons. Volume up, volume down. Very, very tactical, working very good, very secure. But yes, overall, this feels like a very solid case. Like I said, my favorite out of the three. Cutouts are perfect for the speakers, microphones. You got the charging port right there, headphone jack up top, and a microphone as well. Everything looking good. And then if you want to add a lanyard to this as well, they give you that option on the side. So this was the Solid Suit carbon fiber case. Okay, now I do need to mention one thing real quick. Taking these cases off is not the easiest because they are so tight and secure on there. You kind of want to start at the bottom of your device because you don't want to risk bending your device too much. If you start at the top, it's just hard to come off. As you can see, I'm really trying to push it off here. You can't really do it on both ends. So I usually just start on the bottom corner, just kind of push that out like that. And then I'll work my way across this way, push this corner out, and then boom, it comes out nice and safe and good. So there we go. I hope that helped out. Let's get to the next one. This is going to be the same exact case, except like I said, this one's just a plain matte black finish. Got the same buttons on the side, same cutouts for the camera, fingerprint sensor, same cutouts on the bottom and the top. It's going to give you that nice, same solid feel. Like I said, same exact case as the carbon fiber one, except this one is just a matte black finish. And like I said, this is the one you can actually customize yourself to give it different designs, or you can give it your own design. Let me show you guys on their website really quick. So if you head over to their website, you're going to want to pick their Solid Suit line. And then if you scroll down, you can either pick the classic, plain prints, carbon fiber, and then down at the bottom it'll give you more options: plain, personalized, or prints. Now this is the one where you can actually personalize your own case, and it asks for your device color, case style, and then you go from there. Or you can pick some of the prints that they already have here on their website. So if I scroll down here just to give you an idea, look at this. Lots of prints to choose from. Wow, look at this. This camel one's actually looking pretty dope. Go down a little bit more, and then they got tons more to choose from. They got a bunch of different pages. So yeah, that's pretty cool that they do give you the option to choose different designs for this case right here. So this is the Solid Suit matte black finish plain case. All right, so the last one we got here is the Crash Guard, which is, like I said, just an outer shell for the device. You really just gotta fit it right around the edges, and boom, there you're ready to go. You don't have to cover up the back of the device. It's going to give you a nice lip all around the back edges of the device and all around the front edges of the device as well. So if you happen to drop it face down or flat on its back, it should protect it from touching the ground, preventing it from getting any scratches. Unless, of course, you happen to land on a big rock or anything like that, then of course that is not going to protect the back of this device. But with any of these cases, if that happens and you happen to drop it on the front of the screen, the display on a big rock, then obviously it's not going to be protected. But this is something good if you're someone who doesn't drop your device all the time, if you're usually very careful, but you still want some protection in case you do happen to drop it by accident, light falls or anything like that. If you happen to drop it on its side, it's definitely going to be protected. But yes, this is just something simple, something that won't cover up the beauty of your device if you're not one that likes to cover it up or anything like that. So there we have it. These are the cases by Rhinoshield. Now, the prices on these for the crash guard bumper, this one runs for around 25 bucks on their website. Over here for the carbon fiber case, this runs for around 35 bucks on their website. And then for the regular plain case, runs for around 30 bucks. Now, like I said, if you do happen to get it in your own design or anything like that, the prices will vary. But these are the three cases. If you do find yourself interested, I will have links down in the description below. Also with a coupon code to give you a little bit of a discount. So make sure you use that discount code when purchasing any of these cases to give yourself a little bit of a discount. But if you did like these cases by Rhinoshield, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Let me know what you guys think about these cases, especially this carbon fiber one, and the ability to be able to change out that accent button as well. Let me know what you all think. Leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.